Hey, Scout!
Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on!
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Hi, Gumboot Kids. While I was out walking, I came across a little house. It was very well built and comfortable looking, but no one lived there anymore. Now, who would abandon such a cozy home? That's today's nature mystery, the case of the abandoned home. Now let's look at my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Trees!
There are trees everywhere.
The bark is rough.
That clue sure didn't stump you. Now for clue number 2.
Twigs! Aha! Twigs!
You found lots of twigs. Good work. Now for clue number 3.
Eggshells!
Try looking down.
Oh, look! Look, on the ground. Those eggshells are blue. So beautiful.
Well done, nature detectives. You found all 3 clues. Now let's put them together and see if we can solve the case of the abandoned home. You found a tree, twigs, and eggshells.
That's a bird's nest!
That's right. Birds need a safe place to lay their eggs in the spring. They gather twigs, leaves, and dried grass to build a nest up in a tree.
So cool!
So why would they abandon such a cozy home?
I know, because the eggs hatched.
That's right. After the eggs hatch and the babies grow up, they fly away, abandoning their home.
We did it! Case closed! Yay!
Way to go! Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. Birds' favorite time of year to sing is the spring. When you're outside, in a park, under a tree, or even on the sidewalk, sit still, close your eyes, and pay attention to the sounds of spring. Can you hear all the happy birds singing?
I want my babies to be cozy and warm, snug in a nest up in a tree. I'll make our nest out of twigs, moss, and leaves, strong, round, sturdy, and pretty. And they'll live chirp, chirp, happy, chirp, chirp, healthy, chirp, chirp, fed well too. And while they're chirp, chirp, learning, chirp, chirp, growing, chirp, chirp, flying soon. In this nest I will raise you up, watch you fly high, watch them fly, watch them fly. In this nest I will raise them up, watch them fly high, watch them fly, watch them fly.
From my cozy nest to yours, thanks for a great day together. See you next time, Gumboot Kids.
Good night, Scout!
I want my birdies to be safe and sound, so they can sing out and be free. And they live chirp, chirp, happy, chirp, chirp, freedom, chirp, chirp, fed well too. And while they're chirp, chirp, learning, chirp, chirp, growing, chirp, chirp, flying soon. she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hello, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
It's springtime, my favorite time of year. Flowers are in bloom again, and the signs of spring are everywhere. It's so inspiring. Would you like to make a pressed flower egg with me, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Okay, here we go. Step 1. Let's press some flowers. Pick some tiny flowers or pluck petals from a larger flower. Place them between 2 sheets of paper inside a large, heavy book. It will take a few weeks for the flowers to dry out completely, so you'll need to be patient and prepare this in advance.
I love all the pretty colors. Me too.
Terrific! Now, step 2. Trace an egg shape on a piece of colored paper.
Like this? That's it. Good job.
Once you've traced your egg, cut it out. You may need to ask an older friend or grown-up to help you with your scissors.
I can cut it out myself.
Nice egg.
Thank you.
Great teamwork, Gumboot Kids. Now, step 3. And this is my favorite part.
Look, it's our pressed flowers. How pretty.
Glue your pressed flowers onto your egg. Arrange the flowers into patterns, whatever looks beautiful to you and feels good.
I like this pressed flower. It's a hydrangea.
This is so much fun.
I agree. I like your egg. Thanks. The flowers are sure pretty.
Terrific! All right, Gumboot Kids, let's see what you've made. Oh, wow! So beautiful, Gumboot Kids. I'm going to hang mine and think of the springtime every time I look at it. Goodbye, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy!
DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great. I want my babies to be cozy and warm, snug in a nest up in a tree. I'll make our nest out of twigs, moss, and leaves, strong, round, sturdy, and pretty. And they'll live chirp, chirp, happy, chirp, chirp, healthy, chirp, chirp, fed well too. And while they're chirp, chirp, learning, chirp, chirp, growing, chirp, chirp, flying soon. I want my birdies to be cozy and warm, snug in a nest up in a tree. I want my birdies to be safe and sound, so they can sing out and be free. And they live chirp, chirp, happy, chirp, chirp, freedom, chirp, chirp, fed well too. And while they're chirp, chirp, learning, chirp, chirp, growing, chirp, chirp, flying soon. I want my babies to be cozy and warm, snug in a nest up in a tree. In this nest